My first ever Takara Tommy and Tomica Premium car is here. Ferrari F40, one of the most iconic cars in the world. So let's get started. Okay, that was the unboxing experience, but first let's go through the box. We have some Japanese instructions, more Japanese instructions. Okay, we have the scale. It is 1:62. Okay, it's official Ferrari product, and this premium diecast number is 31. Okay, this is the side and this is the other side. I'll not dive more into it. So this is how we get the car packed. Thanks to Vaibhav for arranging this car for me. Wow, this is one of the most beautiful car models I've unboxed on this channel. This is my first Ferrari as well. See base, you can see it says Tomica and this S equal to 1:62. That's the scale. Produced under license of Ferrari, SPA and MCG. F40 and made in Vietnam. We have some chassis details at the rear and some at the front. This is pretty awesome casting. Did you know the Ferrari F40 was Ferrari's 40th anniversary gift to itself? It was built to celebrate 40 years of Ferrari and was the last car personally approved by Enzo Ferrari. So this car has so many things to its name, and that was one of them. You can see the details on this one. You have the acrylic headlights, you have nice front detailing, you have the Ferrari logo here. Look at the hood. I think there's some paint issue here. It's okay. You have the Ferrari logo right here, and look at the side detailings as well. You have the F40 badging right here. You have a nice spoiler. Wow, this is next level. Look at the details on the rear. This is superb. The exhaust details, the tail lamp details, the Ferrari badging right here. The interiors look very cool as well. That's nice, awesome. We have the red seats, the steering wheel details and all. So this comes with an opening part. We can open this part and we can see the engine details as well. This is the outer details. As I open this, this is how it opens up, and look at the details now. So this is very well built, very well made, and also this looks very stunning. Look at that. Really awesome. I'm hoping that I'm able to show you the car in a very close-up way. Look at that Ferrari badging. So cool. It closes very softly and opens softly as well. I'm really not a fan of the wheels. They are, from far away point, they look pretty good, but when you hold up close, I think, wait a minute. Okay, they are not bad, not the best too, but they do the job on this one. I think they're pretty good. I paid 800 for this, Okay, and usually Tomica Premiums, I think they come around this range. I'll just verify the range and give you the range. So this range, and to me, honestly speaking, I got an official Ferrari product and my first Tomica Premium with an opening part and a much smaller scale car. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Talking about the F40, it was the first production car to break the 200 miles per hour barrier. The F40 had a top speed of 201 miles per hour, making it the fastest production car in the world at the time. The Ferrari F40 is made up of lightweight materials. The body is made up of carbon fiber and Kevlar, and the car has a tubular steel frame. This makes it very light and agile. I'm talking about the real Ferrari F40, obviously not this one, right? So the F40 has a powerful twin turbo V8 engine. The 2.9 liter engine produces 478 horsepower and 426 pound-feet of torque. I'll just give it in Newton meter torque here. The F40 is a very rare car. Only 1,311 examples were ever produced. The F40 is highly sought after collector car, and if you are a Ferrari fan, you know this, that F40 is such a great casting, such a great car in itself, that every collector, wants to have it in their collection, needs to have it in their collection. So yeah, that's there. So I got one for beginning. Let's see how many can I catch. The F40 is a true driver's car. It is raw and pretty exciting to drive. So that is it from this video. I hope you guys loved it, and my experience for a Tomica Premium for the first time, I would say I'd rate it 8.5 out of 10. 8.5 because see, whatever 1.5 marks that I've deducted is for the choice of wheels. So see the wheels on this one, I was expecting this wheels, but instead this is the wheel that the car comes with. It's not pretty bad, and I was expecting rubber wheels, so it has plastic wheels. Let's do a roll test. I have not done a roll test. Yeah, I'm not rolling this one. It rolls very badly and makes a lot of rattling noise. So this is a pure collector's piece. Like, it will just stay in my case. Will not put it on tracks as such. My first Tomica Premium experience was pretty good one. I'm not gonna lie, I really liked it. Okay, so that's it from today's video. Hope you guys like it. More Tomica Premium videos coming in. Okay, so that's it from today's video. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting, spend wisely.